Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I, Mr. Yogesh, Faculty of Mathematics, and I am here to put excitement back into the education. So in this lecture we are going to discuss few problems depends upon permutation. So here is your first problem. The sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8. Keep in mind repetition of the digits not allowed is. So first of all, try to think over it. Which are the numbers at their unit places? To find that, the numbers which contains 2 as the unit place, 4 as the unit place, 6 as the unit place, and similarly 8 as the unit place. So how many numbers that can 4-digit numbers that can be formed which contains a 2 at its a unit place? So fixed a 2 at a ones place or the unit place. So how many possibility to get that the numbers which are having 2 as it's a unit place? So for that we have the digits 2, 4, 6, 8. So we fixed a 2 at a units place. So there is only one way to choose a 2 from the given digit. Same thing. So among the remaining 3 digits, any one digit can be filled over the thousands, or you may start with a tens place. It doesn't matter. So there are the 3 ways to fill up the tens place. Same thing. Among the remaining 2 digits now, any one digits can be filled up over the hundreds place. So there are the 2 ways to fill up the hundreds place. And same thing, remaining 1 digit now filled up over the tens place. Or now we have to find out the 4-digit number that should be end up with the 4. So we have to fix that 4 at a ones place or the unit place. So only one way we are having. And same thing for the 1,000 place, 100 place and tens place, we have 3 to 1 way respectively. Now try to evaluate that how many 4-digit numbers that are end up with the 6. So we have to fix the 6 at a ones place. So there is only one possibility to fill up the ones place. While to fill up now 1,000, hundreds and tens place, we have respective 3 to 1 ways. Same thing, try to evaluate for the 4-digit number end up with the digit as a 8. So we have to fix a 8 at its ones place or the unit place. So there is only one way. Same thing, to fill up the thousands, hundreds and tens place, we have 3 to 1 way respectively. So 3 into 2 into 1 gives us the 3 factorial in each and every cases. That means there are 3 2s are 6, exactly the 6 numbers that are end up with the 2, end up with the 4, ends with a 6 and ends with a 8. So after all, taking 3 factorial as a common and add up the ones place, we get 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, and 3 factorial becomes a 6. So it gives us 10 plus 10 becomes a 20 and 6 2s are 20. So there are 120 be the sum of unit places. Sum of unit digits. Now same thing, to find that the numbers that are containing now 2, 4, 6, 8 as their tens place. So we have to fix at first 2 at a tens place. Same thing, 6 or firstly the 4 at a tens place, 6 at a tens place, and 8 at a tens place. So there are exactly again one possible way to fill up the tens place by 2, 4, 6, 8 digits respectively, while the thousand, hundreds and ones place can be filled up 3 to 1 way. Same thing, 3 to 1 way if we will fix the 4 at a tens place. Same thing 3 to one way to fill up the thousand, hundreds and ones place. Once the tens place filled up with the or fixed up with the digit 6. Same thing for if we will fix up the digit 8 at a tens place. So to fill up the 1000, 100 and ones place, we have the ways 3 to 1 respectively. So again 3 into 2 into 1 becomes a 3 factorial and add up the tens place. In each cases we are having the 3 factorial and add up the tens place. We have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Again 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 becomes a 20, while 3 factorial becomes a 6. So 6 2s are, we have a 120 with the sum of tens place digit. Same thing we will, if we will find that the sum of hundreds place digit, we can get again a 120 as the sum. Same thing if we will find that the sum of 1000 places digit, it becomes a 120. Now the sum of, so I will write here sum of hundreds place digit, we have again a 120, and the sum of 1000 place digit, again we have 120. So now to find that the sum of all 4 digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, how many are they? They are 24. How? We have the 4 vacant places and the 4 digits 2, 4, 6, 8. So to fill up the 1000 place we have the 4 ways. To fill up the 100 place we have the 3 ways. To fill up the tens place we have the 2 ways, and to fill up the ones place we have only 1 way. So 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24 4 digit numbers that can be found by using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8. So to find up now the sum of all 24 4 digit number, we have the way, therefore the sum of all 4 digit numbers formed by using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8 is given by, or is equals. So as per the ones place digit summation, we have 120. So the tens place digit summation, we have 120. So once it is at a tens place, so we have to multiply it with a 10. Sum of hundreds place digit, we have 120. So it should be multiplied with 100. Once it is 100 place summation. The sum of thousands place digit, we have a 120. So 120 now should be multiplied with 1000. We get. It becomes 1,20,000 plus 12,000 plus 1,200 plus 120. Or you might be noted down here 120 should be multiplied with a ones. A 120 be the summation of unit place digit or the ones place digit. So it should be multiplied with a 1. So after all simplifying, we get 1,33,320 with the sum of all 24 4 digit numbers that can be found by using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8. Now look at the next problem we have. There are 5 roads leading to town from a village. The number of different ways in which a village can go to the town and return back. So we have given there are the 5 roads leading to the town from the village. So town to village, there are 5 roads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of different ways which a villager can go to the town and return back. So to the villager go to the town by any one of the possible way. So there are the 5 ways, and he can come back to the village. Again, there are the possible 5 ways. So as per the multiplication principle, we might have 5 into 5 becomes 25 ways. So there are the 25 ways for a villager can go to the town and return back. Now look at the next question we are having. In how many ways can 5 examination papers be arranged so that physics and chemistry papers never comes together? So total number of arrangement. Firstly, we have to find out the total number of arrangement. It doesn't matter physics, chemistry, how we have to arrange. Okay, so total number of arrangement of 5 books, which is given by the way 5 factorial. How? We have the 5 books and we have to arrange them in order. Like first place can be filled with the 5 ways, following which second place can be filled with the 4 ways, following which third place can be filled with the 3 ways, following which fourth place can be filled with the 2 ways, and following which last place can be filled with a 1 way. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 becomes a 5 factorial. And 5 factorial value, everyone well known, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is of 120. So when we arrange the physics and chemistry books such that they comes together. So when physics and chemistry come together, that is it. The 4 factorial into the 2 factorial. We have the ways 4 factorial into the 2 factorial. So we have given here 5 examination papers are arranged to be such that physics and chemistry papers never come together. So we can find it. First of all, 4 factorial becomes 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24, and 24 into 2 factorial becomes a 2. So 24 2s are, we have 48 ways to arrange the physics and chemistry books together. Hence the required number of ways are, that means physics and chemistry papers never comes together. Papers or might be the books were there, it doesn't matter. So the required arrangement equals to total ways we have 120. Among them, physics and chemistry comes together, we have a 48. So subtract them, we get 72 ways. Now you have a question in your mind, why we have to take the 4 factorial into the 2 factorial? Because there are the 2 books now, physics and chemistry. So if they are arranged such that they comes together, so actually we have only the 4 places. So to arrange the 4 books, ultimately we have the ways 4 factorial. Among them, physics chemistry comes together in a one compartment. So we have, there are the 2 factorial arrangement, either physics first then chemistry, or the chemistry first then the physics. So as per the multiplication principle, we have 4 factorial into the 2 factorial becomes a 48 ways of arrangement physics and chemistry books comes together. And as per the required case, we are having physics and chemistry papers or might be the books never comes together. So total arrangement we have for 5 papers, it becomes a 120. Among them, subtract physics and chemistry papers comes together, we have the 48 ways. So 120 minus 48 gives us 72 ways, such that physics and chemistry papers never comes together. Now look at the next problem. We are having the number of arrangements of the letters of the word saloon if the O's do not comes together is given by. So look once, the total number of arrangement, firstly we have for the given letters, total number of arrangement of the letters is given by, now total letters is in the word saloon becomes SALOON. We have, there are the 6 letters. Among them, O repeated twice. Keep in mind. And every letter should occur say once, like S occurs once, A occurs once, and so on. So we have the number of ways to arrange now. The letters in the word saloon becomes 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. As per the repeating concept we are having, if the words are repeated twice, thrice, and n number of times, so suppose to be one letter is repeated R1 times, other letter following which other letter is repeated R2 times, and so on, Rn times. Then we have the permutation of n letters. Among them, few letters are repeated R1, R2, and so on up to the Rn time is given by R1 factorial, n factorial divided by R1 factorial into R2 factorial into so on into Rn factorial. Same case we have to use here. O repeated 2 times, so we have to divide it by 2 factorial. And total letters we have n becomes a 6, so 6 factorial. So we can express now 6 factorial in terms of 2 factorial as a 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by the 2 factorial. 2 factorial getting cancelled. 6 5s are 30, 30 4s are 120, 120 3s are, we have a 360 ways to arrange the letters is in the word saloon. Now look once the number of ways in which O's comes together. Keep in mind now the number of ways O's comes together is given. So that means there are the 6 letters in the word saloon. So now we have to find the number of letters in which O's comes together. That means now we have only the 5 vacant places over there, and within them, if the O's comes together, supposed to be we have one compartment where there is arrangement of O and O's. So it can be did by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have the way 5 factorial because there are the 5 vacant places now, and within one compartment we have the places for 2 O's. That means O's comes together. We have the ways 5 factorial. So now the 5 factorial becomes 120, that much ways. That means that means 120 words in which the O's comes together. Now what we have to find? If the 2 O's do not comes together, so total arrangement we have here 360, and the number of letters in which O's comes together we have 120. So subtract them, you will get the 2 O's do not comes together. That means the required number of ways in which 2 O's does not comes together. Number of letters you might be says the ways equals to total possible ways we have 360. Among them 2 O's comes together we have a 120. So subtract them, we get 240 ways. That means there are 240 words are such that 2 O's do not comes together. Now look at the next problem we are having. The number of words which can be formed from the letters of the word maximum if 2 consonants cannot occur together is given by. So which are the consonants here that are is in the word maximum? Actually I will write the firstly the word maximum. So which are the consonants here? M, X, M, M. those are the consonants, while A, I and U, those are the vowels. So we have to find the number of possible arrangements in the letters maximum such that two consonants cannot comes together. That means we have the way, like supposed to be first be the consonant, next be the vowel, next be the consonant, next be the vowel, let it be, we will consider it as I, next be the consonant and last be the vowel. 3 to 5 plus 2, 7 letters we are having there. So 3 plus 3, 6 and one more vacant place now we have. So total 7 places we have. So we have to fill up the places by using the consonants. So the pointed place to be filled up by M, X, M and M. Those are the pointed places. That should be filled up with a letter either MX, MM, like that way. Hence the required number of ways to fill up them. Hence required number of ways becomes we have 3 factorial be the arrangement of that 3 vowels, following which as per the multiplication principle now we have the 4 letters M, X, M, M. So arrangement of them becomes a 4 factorial. Among them M are repeated thrice, M is repeated 3 times. So we have to divide it by the 3 factorial. So ultimately 3 factorial getting cancelled. 4 factorial we have 24 ways. That means there are 24 words that can be formed using the letters in the word maximum such that two consonants cannot occur together. So here we have to take this 3 factorial for the arrangement of 3 vowels. Keep in mind. Okay, so they might be like way, or they might be looks I first, then A, and then we might be says that the U, like this way. And the third arrangement we have, let it be assumed to be U first and then A, then I, and so on. So there are the ways. There are 3 vowels we have. So that means we have the 3 vacant places over there as per our assumption. So first place can be filled with the 3 ways, following which next place can be filled with the 2 ways, following which last place can be filled with the 1 way. That means 3 into 2 into 1 as per the multiplication principle. We have the 3 factorial arrangements of the 3 vowels. And to arrange now is in the vacant places. To arrange now the consonants, there are the 4 consonants we have. So ultimately 4 factorial ways. Like to fill up the first place we have the 4 ways, next place following which the next place can be filled up by the 3 ways, following which next place can be filled up by 2 ways, and last place can be filled up by 1 way. But among them M is repeated thrice, so we have to divide it by the 3 factorial. So ultimately 4 factorial be divided by 3 factorial be the arrangement of consonants within the blank spaces. So 3 factorial getting cancelled, 4 factorial becomes a 24. So there are 24 words that can be formed by using the letters in the word maximum such that 2 consonants cannot occur together. Now look at the next one. How many numbers lying between 500 to 600 can be formed with the help of the digits we have given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when the digits are not to be repeated. So again same concepts we are having here. So supposed to be we have to find at the 3-digit number now, because 500 and 600 are the 3-digit numbers. So the number which is greater than that of 500 and less than that of ultimately the 600. So to find such a numbers that we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means 6 digits now. So among them, to fill up the first place, we might have there are only one choice, because once we have filled up with the 5 or fixed with a 5, so we have only one way to fill up the first box. Following which, to fill up now the tens digit number or the tens place digit, we have how many choices were there? Once we fixed the 5, that means crossed out the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 were there. Crossed out the 5. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So among any one digits can be filled up with the tens digit. And following which, to fill up now the ones digit, so we have the 4 ways, and 5 fours are as per the multiplication principle. 1 into 5 into 4 becomes, we have a 20. So there are 20 numbers in between 500 to 600, and that should be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now look, next problem we are having. The numbers greater than 1000 but not greater than 4000, which can be formed with the help of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep in mind here, repetition of the digits is allowed. So look at the answer. Firstly, we have to form a 4-digit number here, because 1000 and 4000 are the 4 digits number. Keep in mind that should be greater than that of 1000, and ultimately not greater than means the less than that of 4000. So we have a ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So number which is greater than that of 1000. So we have the choices to fill up the first box by either a 1, 2, 3. Among them any one digit can be filled up over the. Is it possible to fill up the 4? No, because once a number that should be a 4000 something, it is greater than that of 4000. So we have only 3 ways to fill up the first box. That means any one digit among the 3 digits. Following which, now the repetition is allowed, keep in mind. So among any 5, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, among any 5 digits, we can fill up the 1 digit over the 100 plus. So we have the 5 ways. Following which, repetition is allowed. So we have the 5 ways to fill up the tens place. And following which, repetition is allowed. So we have the 5 ways to fill up the ones place. So as per the multiplication principle, total ways now we are having 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 3s are, we have a 375 ways. That means there are 375 numbers that are greater than 1000 but not greater than 4000, which can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Here repetition is allowed, keep in mind. That means a digit can be occurs at twice, thrice or the 4 times. Now look at the next problem. The number of numbers that can be formed with the help of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, so that odd digits always occupy odd places. So firstly, the 4 odd digits we are having here, I will write them first. 4 odd digits we are having here is 1, 3, 3 and 1. so can be arranged in 4 odd places. So we have to arrange that 4 digits along a 4 odd places. So we have the way 4 factorial divided by. So here 1 is repeated 2 times while 3 is repeated 2 times. So we have to divide 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So we can convert now 4 factorial in terms of the 2 factorial as like 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by one of the 2 factorial having the value 2 into 1 while other 2 factorial remains as it is. 2 factorial getting cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 3 twos are 6 ways we are having. And there are the 3 even numbers. So 3 even numbers. Which are the 3 even numbers here? Like 2, 4 and 2. So to arrange them ultimately in 3 even places we have the way. So keep in mind is in the digits 2, 4, 2. That digit 2 repeated 2 times. So we have, there are the 3 digits. So arrangement of them becomes a 3 factorial divided by 2 repeated twice. So we have to divide it by the 2 factorial. So 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So we have the ways, that means 3 ways to arrange 3 even digits in 3 even places. Hence the required number of ways we are having 6 into, as per the multiplication principle. That means that 4 odd digits along a 4 odd places we have 6 ways, while that 3 even numbers or the digits along 3 even places we have the 3 ways. As per the multiplication principle, 6 3s are 18 ways we have, such that odd digits always occupy the odd places. So there are the 18 numbers we can form by using the numbers that can be formed with the help of the digits 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 1, so that odd digits always occupy the odd places. Now look at the next problem we are having. How many words can be made from the letters of the word Delhi if L comes in middle in every word? So first of all we have to fix up a L. So how many letters in the word Delhi? There are 5 letters. So supposed to be we are having now the 5 box. I will write the word DELHI. That means we are having the letters in the word DELHI, total 5 letters. So among them we have to form the words in which L comes in the middle of every word. So midway position we have this one, so we have to fix L there. So we have only one way to fill up the third box or the third place of the word. Now we remained with us. So just crossed out the L. Already we fixed it. So we remained with the 4 letters only, either a D or E or H or I. So there are the 4 ways. You may start from now left to right, filling up the boxes, or the right to left to filling up the boxes. That means the number of ways. So D, E, H, I. Now we remained with the 4 letters. So among them, any one letter can be filled up over the first box. So to fill up the first box, we have the 4 ways. Now we remained with the 3 letters. Keep in mind. So to fill up the second box, we have the 3 ways. While to fill up the fourth box, we have the 2 ways. And to fill up the last box, we have only 1 way. That means as per the multiplication principle, total number of possible words that can be found by using the letters in the word Delhi, such that L comes in the middle in every word, is given by. In short, I will write total ways. As per the multiplication principle, 4 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 1. That means we have ultimately 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 becomes a 4 factorial, means the 24 ways. That means there are 24 words that can be formed by using the letters in the word Delhi, such that condition we are having L comes in the middle of every word. Now look at the next problem we are having. It is of the form, how many numbers lying between 99 and 1000 be made from the digits 2, 3, 7, 0, 8, 6 when the digits occur only once in each number. That means repetition is not allowed strictly. So we have the digits here 2, 3, 7, 0, 8 and 6. No digit repeated number of. So the number which is greater than that of 99 and simultaneously less than that of 1000, it should be your 3-digit number. We have the places ones, tens and hundreds. So now to fill up the hundreds place, we have the choices. Keep in mind, once we will fill up the 100 place by 0, it should be your 2-digit number, not the 3-digit number. So except 0, we have to fill up the 100 place, we have the choices either a 2, 3, 7, 8 or 6. That means 5 ways we are having. So under assumption, we will assume that 7 is filled up over that place. So the crossed out 7. Now to fill up the tens place, we have the choices either a 0, keep in mind, or 2, or 3, or 8, or 6. That means again, to fill up the tens place, we have the 5. So among them, let's assume that 3 is filled up over the tens place. Now to fill up the ones place, we have the choices either a 0 or 2 or 8 or. That means we have 4 choices there. As the every digit should occur only once. That means repetition is not allowed. So total number of ways, or you might be says that the total numbers lying between 99 and 1000 be made from the digits 2, 3, 7, 0, 8, 6 when the digits occur only once in each number is given by, as per the multiplication principle, 5 into 5 into 4. So 5 5s are 25, 4s are, we have the 100 ways. That means 100 numbers that are lying between 99 and 1000, and that should be made up of the digits 2, 3, 7, 0, 8, 6 when the digits occur only once in each number. That means repetition is not allowed here. Now look at the next question we are having. Question number 11. How many numbers greater than 100 and respectively divisible by 5 can be formed by the digits 3, 4, 5, 6 if no digit is repeated? So keep in mind now, the number which is greater than that of 100, it might be your 3-digit number, or as we are given here the 4 digits, so we can form that the 4-digit number also. So the number greater than that of 100, and that should be found with the help of the digits 3, 4, 5, 6. So it may be your 3-digit number, or so as per the addition principle, we have to add up the 4-digit numbers too. And we have one more condition, that the number is divisible by 5 also. So as per the divisibility of 5, everyone well known, once a number ends with a 5, that should be divisible by 5. So that means we have to fix in both cases 5 at the ones place or the unit place. So we have to fix up a 5. So there is only one way to fix a 5 at a ones place. So now we will find that firstly the 3-digit number. Look at once. We have the digits 3, 4, 5, 6. Among them 5 is fixed. So we have the 3 ways to fill up the 100th place. Keep in mind, repetition is not allowed again here. No digit is repeated, we have given. And following which tens place can be filled up by the 2 ways. While for the 1000 places, again we have the digits 3, 4, 5 and 6. Among them 5 is fixed at the ones place. So we have the 3 ways to fill up the 1000 place digit, 2 ways to fill up the 100 place digit, and only 1 way to fill up the tens place digit. So as per the multiplication principle now, 3 into 2 into 1, that are the 3 digit numbers that should be divisible by 5, or it may be the 4 digit number because we have the 4 digits and the numbers that should be greater than 100. It may be your 4 digit number formed by using the digits 3, 4, 5, 6. So as per the multiplication principle, it should be divisible by 5. We have the way 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. So that is equal. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are, we have a 6 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. That means we have total 12 ways. That means total 12 numbers that should be greater than 100 and divisible by 5, made from the digits 3, 4, 5, 6. So today we will stop here. Thank you.